how are you? I hope you are fine and health. Today we are going to review some important questions. So let's get started. Question number 1. The measure of the included angle between two straight lines are equal 3 and 1 plus k 2 and 1 and 2x plus y plus 5 equals 0 equal what? We know that the measure between two angles is tan theta equal absolute m1 minus m2 m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. M1 means the slope of the first line, m2 means the slope of second line. So now we can get the slope of the first line by using the rule m1 equal y over x, so it will be 1 over 2. Then we can get the slope of the second line by using the rule negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y, so it will be negative 2 over 1, it will be equal negative 2. In case of m1 times m2 equal negative 1, so the two straight lines are perpendicular. So we can substitute m1 by half times m2 by negative 2, half times negative 2 equal negative 1, so m1 times m2 equal negative 1, so L1 perpendicular to L2, L1 perpendicular to L2, so the measure between two angles it will be equal 90. Or we can substitute these numbers in this rule, so it will be and find it will be equal also theta equal 90. The Cartesian equation of the straight line intersects 2 and 3 units of the positive parts of x-axis and y-axis respectively. Firstly, this line intercepts the x-axis in 2 and y-axis in 3, so x over 2 plus y over 3 will be equal 1. By multiplying by 6 for both sides, so it will be 3x plus 2y equals 6. 3x plus 2y equals 6, letter D. The slope of AB equal half and A negative 2 and 5. Then which is the following points does lie on AB? We can get the slope of A and this point, so it will be M equal y2 minus y1 6 minus 5, x2 minus x1 0 minus negative 2, 6 minus 5 over 0 minus negative 2, it will be equal 1 over 2. It will be the same slope, so letter A is the correct answer. The radius length of a circle is r, and the perimeter, if the perimeter of circular cylinder of this circle is 2r plus 8. We know that the perimeter of circular sector 2r plus l, so 2r plus l equal 2r plus 8. We can cancel 2r with 2r, so l equal 8. Then the area of sector equal half times L times R. We can write half times L equal 8 times R. Half by 8 equal 4, 4 by R will be equal also 4R, letter D. Second rule of the area of a sector, it will be equal area equal half theta radian R by 2 for remark. In the Cartesian coordinate, the region representing the solution set of the inequalities x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x plus y less than or equal 4. We can draw x plus y less than or equal 4 at x equal 0, y equal 4, at y equal 0, x equal 4 when drawing, so it will be here x equal 0 and y equal 4 and y equal 0 and x equal 4, so this shape is triangle. The direction vector of the straight line perpendicular to straight line 3x minus y plus 5 equals 0 is what? He needs the direction vector so we can get the slope of it. slope equal negative coefficient of x over coefficient of the y, so it will be negative 3 over negative 1, it will be equal negative positive 3. So the slope of the perpendicular m2 will be equal negative 1 over 3. Here slope here 3 over 1 equals 3, wrong. And here 3 over negative 1 equal negative 3, also wrong. And here negative 1 over 3, it will be equal negative 1 over 3, the same slope I need. So the correct answer, it will be letter C. The equation of the axis of symmetry AB, where A equal to negative 1 and B equal 4 and 3. Firstly, we can get the slope of AB. Slope of AB, negative coefficient, slope of AB, y2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1 equal 4, 4 minus 2 equal 2, so it will be equal to. So the slope of the perpendicular, it will be m equal negative half. And second, we can get the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal summation of x over 2 and summation of y over 2. So it will be 2 plus 4 over 2 and negative 1 plus 3 over 2. 6 over 2, it will be equal 3 and 2 over 2 equal 1. So the midpoint 3 and 1. Y minus 1 over x minus 3 equal slope equal negative 1 over 2. By taking cross multiplication, 2 by y equal 2y minus 2 by 1 equal 2. Negative 1 by x, negative 1 by negative 3, positive 3. Move x to the other side, so it will be equal x plus 2y minus 5 equal 0. X plus 2y minus 5 equal 0. Or we can remove 5 to the other, so it will be equal x plus 2y equal 5. X plus 2y equal 5, letter B. The sum of roots of the equation. Firstly, I have 3 zeros, so the solution set, it will be x times x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. X plus 1 times 2x, 2 minus x, all equal 0. Here x equals 0, or here x plus 1 equals 0, or here 2 minus x equals 0. We can remove 1 to the other side, so x equal negative 1, and here x equal 2. You need sum of roots. Sum of roots is 0 plus negative 1 plus 2, it will be equal 1. The straight line L equal x equal 1 minus 2k, y equal negative 1 plus 4k, passing through the point what? We can get the constant of x and the constant of y. Constant of x is 1 and constant of y is negative 1, so the point 1 is negative 1. And thanks for listening. Thanks for taking time to watch my educational video. See you later. Goodbye.